혼다어코드사이드미러 수리를 위한 도어트림을 탈부착하는 영상입니다. 다 같이 보시죠.
Hey guys, so today I am working on a 2009 Honda Accord. Alright guys, so here I am starting with a little pop-up that I have to take out from the door handle. So as you see, I went ahead and took it out with a flathead screwdriver, and now I'm going in with the Phillips and the drill and just taking out two screws that are in here, and I just gently place them on the seat. Then you will see under the door handle there is another little flap that you want to get to. I'm struggling a little bit with my flathead to reach it, and I did kind of mess it up. I think you would need something thinner, but eventually I got it open, and you can see there is a screw that's Phillips inside. So we're going to take that out, and there it is. So here we have the speakers, the small speakers, kickers I think they're called, and just get a flathead and pop it out. Then you have to undo the connection. I couldn't do this on camera because it was a little bit tight in there, but it's out. And you will see me here getting a flathead screwdriver, a long one, and I'm going to place it underneath the door panel, between the door panel and the door, and just kind of wedge it in there to pop out the tabs. So you saw it popped out right there. And then I just run my hand upward to pop up the other ones, and we will go down towards the speaker, and now it's all loose, just like that. So what you want to do is to lift it up with both hands, holding it tightly. Be very careful. And so the next scene is going to be behind the panel itself. I actually ended up taking out that door handle to make it easier to work with. So this is the back. You will see there are 5 screws. So you see those white tabs with the silver screws in them, metal screws in them, they're not silver. There is that middle tab that you want to push out, and then there are the 5 screws that you want to use a Phillips to take out. So this is with all of them taken out, and really just push out that tab, and the next thing you do is just wedge it out, just wedge out the one. So here I am struggling to get the door handle back into the door. Kind of have to put it in sideways and then get it in there flush. So once the door handle's in there, then you want to lift up the door panel itself, going back to where it was, and then I will be putting all the tabs back in. Next thing, once the tabs are secured, you want to screw everything back in, and then I will do the top 2 screws that go into where the actual handle to open the door is. And there's the tab that goes back in to cover up our mess, and there you see the panel. Looks pretty nice. Plug it back in, and we're all done. Thanks for watching.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드려요.